Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix keeps dropping calls on Realme Narzo Power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so reinstall SIM. Remove SIM tray and again insert SIM. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device, just click and hold side power button. Restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. After click on reset phone, click on reset network settings. Enter phone pin and click on reset. After you click on reset, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can reinstall SIM. So that's how you can fix keep dropping calls on Realme Narzo Power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.